Alright, we're gonna do some riding. We're gonna teach her how to shift gears and go in higher gears. We're gonna work it out. I'm gonna practice on my wheelies in first gear, balance, and back brake control. Here we go. Alright, we're gonna attempt to start the 110. There you go, dude. She's a freaking Honda. Hell yeah! Woo! We just got back from whipping the 450. Alright, we got the pity. She's on the pity. We got some good clips and wheelies. She missed one where I wheelied by a car and sat it down, moved over in the middle of the road, and popped it back up. But it's alright. Hopefully the other ones are good enough. I don't even know how to turn this camera around. But here she comes. Yeah, she's whipping the pity. Need to get her a helmet. She's a little reckless. She's still learning.